Hey there guys, so I wanted to show you how to add transitions to all of your pictures or videos in one video. So I have a lot of random colors that I was going to use for this video. I was going to use the fade. Doesn't really matter which transition it is, it'll work for all of them. I did not want to individually add the transition to each of my pictures when I was editing a video the other day. But the problem was I couldn't figure out how in the world to add to all of these clips. So I was right clicking and it wasn't saying anything about applying the transition to all the slides. And I did not want to just keep adding them. So I went ahead and I double clicked here and I see apply all right here. Doesn't do anything. So I was totally at a loss, didn't know what I was doing. And all the videos that I saw were of older versions of Filmora, and this is the latest version as of July 5th, 2020. So this is what you do. So you're going to click the control button on your computer screen, and then you're going to click A. So Control A, and that's going to select all of your clips. And then this is when you right-click the transition that you want to use, and you'll click Apply to Selected Clips. There you go. That is how you apply transition to all of your clips on Wondershare Filmora that you have downloaded for July 5th, 2020. I hope that this helped you guys, and good luck with your video.